Welcome to AutoCAD channel. Today I gonna show you how to export coordinate from AutoCAD to Excel using Autolisp. So before starting this video, I requested to my viewers to please subscribe my channel, and if this video is useful, please like this video. So let's get started. To export coordinate from AutoCAD to Excel using Autolisp, first we have to open an Excel file. Then go to the AutoCAD again, then command upload and press enter. Then select this Autolisp file tin143 and click load. Here you will see that tin143.blx successfully loaded. Then close it. If this is successfully loaded in the AutoCAD, you will see this. You will see the command in the command box. Then command, click to XLS and press enter. Then select a column in the Excel. Then go to the AutoCAD and click on your point with whose coordinate you wanted to export. Then you will see that here my coordinate has already exported. Here the first column is the X value or string value. The second column is Y value or northing, and the third column is the RL. So then you save this data in your chosen folder and give a name in here, then save it. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.